So, Stratis, what is Stratis? Stratis, they say, we make blockchain easy for you. So what is Stratis? It's a blockchain that enables people to build blockchains using the C# programming language. You can run that on the .NET framework. So you as a developer, when you want to deploy your blockchain applications, you don't need to worry about nodes or that. It can be deployed on the Stratis Cloud. And they have a very strategic partnership with Microsoft. Not only Microsoft, they also have a strategic partnership with C# Corner, one of the world's largest community of C# developers. As you can see, that it has a community of 30 million members worldwide. So if they integrate these stuff, 30 million people who, with their existing knowledge of C#, they can develop software. It's going to be very, very huge. So let's say this: the Stratis development platform allows businesses and organizations to develop blockchain applications in C#, utilizing the Microsoft.NET framework. We can assist you in defining your blockchain strategy and integrating our solutions and capabilities according to your business requirements. Then you contact them. And then the Cloud Stratis platform allows developers to quickly provision full blockchain to test their applications. So they can actually they can also provision blockchain nodes for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then Stratis and BitShares. Now, you'll be able to run a full Stratis node on the Bitcoin network. I will put the link below on this. And then you can deploy. The Stratis platform allows businesses and organizations to test and deploy their bespoke blockchain-based applications in the cloud without having to maintain a network or full client themselves. The implementation of the blockchain can be tailored to their needs and accessed via light client or APIs. And then the Stratis platform has been designed to serve enterprise and organizations of all sizes, and particularly suited for those that run their applications on the Microsoft or Windows environment. And you can see the use cases, technical and business support you can issue to them. You have the Stratis token and the Stratis Cloud, which is the environment that you can actually host your service. Now, another thing again about the Stratis platform is that they have a Stratis Academy. So the Stratis Academy, you can literally go there. You can find resources to actually learn. So the Stratis Academy, you can find resources, you can meet with developers and all that. So you might be asking, you've said a lot of things about Stratis. What is really Stratis? Now, you can liken Stratis to be an environment where you can deploy the apps. So you can host your decentralized applications on the Stratis Cloud. Another thing again with the Stratis is that Stratis can actually be accessed almost like your web browser. So with their simple APIs, you can actually connect your business with the Stratis deploy blockchain. You can actually connect using their APIs. The other thing again with Stratis is that Stratis can provision nodes that can actually support blockchains like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Lisk, and other blockchains. And then they also have consultancy services where you can actually consult with them if you need any of their help. And they have some strategic partnerships and all that. So this is Stratis in a nutshell. You want to be very good.